we are basically responsible for training students in how body systems function. For example, how your lungs work to be able to bring in the oxygen that you breathe and then also bring out the carbon dioxide that you breathe. How the brain works. Under normal circumstance, how does these body systems function, right? And then we also, the department is also much concerned about the pathophysiology. When there is, the system is not working well, we also handle that aspect of the physiology. Physiology is basically how body systems function, right? And then for undergraduate, basically, we do not run our own undergraduate program. We run a composite undergraduate program, like medicine, nursing, midwifery, sports science, medical laboratory technology. All these professionals that I have talked about, they are required to know the normal body functions in order to be able to decipher if there is something wrong with the body function. So as a department, we play a key role in training these professionals for undergraduates. For postgraduates, yes, we single-handedly also train high caliber research personnel, right, or medium caliber research personnel. So we have an MPhil program, and the MPhil program basically is to help the student know how to undertake systematic physiological experimentation to be able to decipher functions of very key systems or very key tissues or specialized cells within the body, right?
Basically considering the use of certain natural beverages which are herbal in origin, and particularly one of the components I'm looking at is the hibiscus sabdariffa, which is commonly known as sobolo. So we've been taking it a lot, and my primary emphasis, what I'm working on, is the prostate and BPH, which is a subtle condition that develops in men. We have a high prevalence. Those about 50 or 60 years, we have incidence as high as 70% to 100%. So it's sort of like a time bomb that almost every male is supposed to get it. But we are looking at, is it possible that the use of these things can suppress the incidence of it or reverse it if it's taking place? So that's basically what I'm considering. I'm just very hopeful that we'll have very positive results so that we can have better treatment alternatives for these kind of conditions.
Basically, I'm working on prostate health. Okay, we know the prostate to be a very important organ or part of the male reproductive system, and we are looking at how it becomes enlarged. And it's been known that when it becomes enlarged, it leads to very dire consequences, and mostly in aging men. And it's been known that what we eat and drink, basically lifestyle, contributes so much or serves as a risk factor in the development of the enlargement of the prostate. So I'm looking at the effect of diet, certain components of diet that we're taking, like fats, the sugars, and even salt. So basically my research, I'm looking at how these components of diet, which has been known to be associated with the development or the enlargement of the prostate, contribute to the enlargement.